With PIM, it is easy to work with product information in a single system across all of your different customer channels. The basic user activities of a PIM includes finding, enriching, merchandising, and publishing products. Let's take a look at how this works in Struct PIM. Looking into Struct, you are greeted by the dashboard. This gives you an aggregated overview of the data available in your system. This is useful as the data volume grows, giving you an overview and an idea of where you can start working to improve your product information. In the top navigation, we see three areas: PIM, Media, and Users. We also have Quick Search, Help, and your user profile. The media library and user management is part of the Umbraco that Struct is built on top of. The user interface of Struct also borrows a few components from Umbraco, but other than that, the PIM, along with the database, is built separately from Umbraco. Here on the left, we have quick access to search, lists, catalogs, background tasks, data import, publication, supplier onboarding through a self-service supplier portal, product model, and setup. Struct PIM is available as a licensed product, available from Struct. The version we're looking at here is hosted by Struct in a cloud hosting environment. The data in this environment is a standard dataset used for demoing, so we have all the data we need to take a look through the system. To go to a product, we start by navigating through the hierarchy available here on the left. I'll navigate my way through the master catalog to clothing and then to t-shirts. This gives me an overview of the t-shirts we have in the PIM. Let me go to the first one. Here on the product page, we see the information about the products. Here we see that a short description is missing in Danish. So let's go ahead here and change the language. Here I change the language and put in a value. Now I click Save and the enrichment is done. If we now go to variants, we can see the different sizes and colors. Let's try and take a look at a white size small. Here we are now on the level where the customer places the order, and we see additional details specific to the size and the color. This was a brief look at how to navigate the product hierarchy, enriching and validating products, publishing them to make them ready. Using a PIM as a connected central hub for product information has many benefits for the customer experience and for the way that you're working with product information. For this, you must consider aspects that was not covered in this video, including how to construct the product data model, achieving a scalable setup both from an organizational and from a technical perspective, how to handle digital assets, the product lifecycle, assortment management, data distribution, bulk data operations, etc. Struct PIM has much more information to dive into if you want to learn more, including this page on struct.com. It's time for PIM.